everyone, my name is Katie Guillermo and welcome to Safety First, giving you daily tips for your safety. Today's safety tip is all about the proper attire when working inside a machine shop. First off, we have the apparel category. Loose clothing like ties, long-sleeve shirts, and skirts, shorts, open-toed footwear should not be worn as to avoid incidents. What you could wear are long pants, closed-toed shoes or preferably leather shoes, short-sleeve shirts, gloves, and safety glasses. If you have long hair, always remember to tie it up. Same goes when you have a long beard. Always remember to contain it to avoid getting caught in the machine. Wearing pieces of jewelry like rings, long earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and watches are also not allowed. So why is it important to have safety clothing? In a machine shop, metals and composites are cut and shaped into finished products using hand tools and machines such as saws, drills, and grinders. As a result, common injuries that you may encounter include debris in the eye, cuts on the skin, and any body part getting caught in a machine. That is why it is important to choose the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when working inside a machine shop. It protects you against any health and safety risks at work and helps you ensure a safe and happy working environment. Always remember to wear safety glasses at all times in the shop, comfortable shoes with a non-slip sole, and consider wearing a face shield, especially when working up close with grinding and cutting job tasks. Here are some more additional reminders to ensure that you are safe when you are working inside a machine shop. First, be aware of what's going on around you. Concentrate on what you're doing. Don't manipulate the machine to make it work faster. And lastly, always listen to the machine for any signs of error. Make safety your most important goal. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, stay safe everyone!